Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Last lesson we learned about if statements and conditionals. This lesson we are going to learn about loops. While loops to be specific. So what are while loops? It is a type of loop that keeps a specific action running until a specific condition is met. Now let me show you the syntax of a while loop. So this is the syntax. First we have to write the word while and then we have to write the condition, colon, then we go to the next line. We have to have an indentation and then we just write the code. Now let's try it out. Imagine you want to print numbers from 1 to 5. The inefficient way would be to do it like this. But that's a lot of typing, right? So we use loops. So if we're trying to print numbers like this, first we have to initialize. Initialization is basically just giving a variable a first number before adding it. Now we have to write the while loop. While num, for example, since we're writing from 1 to 5, we will write less than or equal to 5 because we want 5 to also be printed, right? Or we can do like this, less than 6. That's also another way. We're going to do it like this first. While num less than or equal to 5, so what do we want to happen? We want it to actually print like this, right? So we just print it. Print not 1, but we print num. We print the variable. Now let's see what will happen if I run it. Oh no, you see what happened? Because I forgot to do a very crucial step, increment. Incrementing is basically just adding the number. For example, let me show you what's happening. Num equals to 1, yes, while num less than or equal to 5. 1 is less than 5, so it will print. And then it will just go back to the starting. It's still 1, so it will print num which is equal to 1 over and over again. And it will never stop because you see this condition, it's always true. So what do we do to stop it? We have to make sure it reaches 5. So we write num plus 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It works. And now you know how to use a while loop in Python. You can experiment a bit if you want and see what all you can make while loops repeat. In the next lesson, we're going to learn about for loops. Well, see you in the next lesson then. Like and subscribe.